Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the episode of Great Locks. And today I'm going to give you guys basically everything you need to start your dreadlocks. Many of you guys do know I had dreadlocks for 4 years, and not only did I have them, but I experimented with almost everything you can try with dreadlocks. If you follow me on my main channel, even on this channel right here, I tried so many different things to see what would work for my dreadlocks, how to lock them up faster, how to lock them up better, how do I make them look the best way possible. There's so much that goes into it. And I could tell you from my experience, when I started my dreadlocks, I didn't know what I was doing, and I just really learned along the way. And I'm super glad that I have this channel and my main channel, and they both really help and explain the whole process of how I got my dreadlocks and how I maintain them and how other people have maintained theirs and got theirs as well. So I've been working on this for a really long time. I've been basically in the works with this for a really long time. Like you could say I've even been doing this for 4 years, but trying to accomplish this one goal, which finally accomplished, that you guys can actually have full access to. And I make it so easy for you guys to actually start your dreadlocks, to finish them, and you'll have your dreadlocks the way that you want to have them. And I'm telling you, I've been working on this for a really long time, and it means a lot to me, and I want to give back to you guys 100%. That's why I have these channels, and it really is to just make your life a little bit easier with this little subject of your life, which is hair. But enough of all the talking. There's actually a Great Locks website now. You can go to greatlocks.com. The link is in the description. This is the official Great Locks website. It gives you all the products you need to start your dreadlocks, all the products you need to maintain your dreadlocks, everything you need basically for your dreadlocks. There's even exclusive videos that give you tips and tricks on how to keep and maintain your hair. And this is like the dreadlock starter kit is what I would call it. It gives you everything you need to start, maintain, and make your dreadlocks look great. And this is where we get Great Locks. Everyone remembers Guns Locked. Everyone remembers that, of course. We still love that, but this is why we are Great Locks. Our whole goal is to make sure that you guys can see how to have good hair and be able to accomplish that with easy access, just like the Great Locks website. So on the website, you can see that there's the home page and you can scroll through there, but even better, if you scroll down, you can see that there's a tab that says Shop Dreadlock Products. And under this is all the products that I've used and tested, and they work great. And they're my favorite products. And there will be more products added to this in the future. And if you guys do recommend products, I can take a look at them and look at some reviews and see if they're worthy of being on the page. But this is everything that I used and worked for my hair, and it'll work for you. And the beautiful thing is that all these products are for any hair type. I plan on in the future creating different categories to say, these are the products for straight hair dreadlocks, these are the products for curly hair dreadlocks, because believe it or not, there's not many sources out there that will give you something that is exactly for your hair. And I want to be completely genuine with this. I'm not going to just throw this up there just to have it up there so you guys can just like blindly figure out these products you want to use. I want to make it so easy for you guys. So if you have straight hair, you can go into the website and literally go, I want straight hair dreadlocks. And you can just go to the products, and there's video reviews and all kinds of stuff, which we already have that right now, but there's going to be so much added on in the future. And another thing what's really awesome is I actually get to add in pictures of people I want to promote on the website, and that all comes just from following Great Locks and tagging Great Locks. There's actually people featured on the page right now. It has their @ name and everything like that. So it's really cool to be able to have these products for you, easy access, be able to promote you guys, and be able to basically train you guys with the videos. So there's a whole bunch that goes into it that I'm super excited to present to you guys. I'm super excited. Like I said, I've been working on this for a really long time, and it was a lot of work. So I want you guys to go check it out. And I'm telling you, this is for people with straight hair, people with thick hair, people with really curly hair, or very frizzy or kinky hair. This is for everybody. And like I mentioned, this is like the dreadlock starter pack. And also there is, I have curly hair products and curly hair tutorials and stuff like that on there as well. So if you do have curly hair, if you want to go that route, that stuff's on there as well. But this is mainly for dreadlocks. So like I said, guys, I'm just crazy excited about releasing this to you guys. This is the first ever website, and I want to build it into a community. I want to be able to promote you guys even more, have like a gallery on there with your guys' pictures of your dreadlocks with your @ names, and people get to see that and be inspired and know that, you know what, these people got their dreadlocks with these products, or they got their dreadlocks by following these simple steps. We know it's just hair, but believe it or not, it can be pretty tricky trying to figure out how to accomplish a certain look, especially when it comes to dreadlocks, because there's so much that goes into it, from understanding your hair type, from what products you need, and how to actually mature your dreadlocks and maintain them. There's so much that goes into it. So this website literally compiles everything that you need, and of course it's still kind of in the beta stages, so we are building it. We're going to add so much more to it, so many more hair tutorial videos, so many more hair products. Like I said, comment down below if you have any in mind, but I just wanted to give this to you guys right now. Like I'm telling you, I wanted to release this website so bad, so I've been working on it like literally, I think for the past, I would say, 72 hours? Is that 3 days? But I've been working on this like non-stop for the past, I wouldn't say like like 3 days as far as launching it today. But you guys, hopefully you enjoy this. This is my gift to you guys. Make sure to go check it out. And be sure to follow Dreadlocks to be featured on basically anything. Any of the reaction videos, I'll react to your guys' dreads, or even on the website, or even on the Instagram page. Just make sure to tag us. But I love you guys to death. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. This is something huge. If you want to start dreadlocks, this is the route to go, because it has all the information and all the products you need just on one website. And please, I would love constructive criticism in the comment section of what you think. What do you think needs to be improved? What do you want to see on this page? Because I can literally go in there and add anything that will help you guys out. So let me know. But guys, other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.